baby bird cannot fly, but he can walk. Now I'll go and find my mother, he said. Are you my mother? The baby bird asked a kitten. The kitten just looked and looked. It did not say a thing. Are you my mother? The baby bird asked the hen. No, said the hen. Are you my mother? The baby bird asked the dog. I am not your mother. I am a dog, said the dog. Are you my mother? The baby bird asked a cow. How could I be your mother? Said the cow. I am a cow. Moo. Guess what? Guess what? The baby bird stopped to think. The kitten and the hen were not his mother. The dog and the cow were not his mother. I have a mother, said the baby bird. I know I do. I will find her. I will, I will. Just then the baby bird saw a big thing. You are my mother, he said. The big thing said, snort! Oh no, said the baby bird. You're not my mother. You are a scary snort. The snort lifted the baby bird up, up, up. Then something happened. The snort put the baby bird right back in the tree. The baby bird was home. Just then the mother bird came back. I know who you are, said the baby bird. You are not a kitten or a hen or a dog. You are not a cow or a snort. You are a bird and you are my mother. Are you my mother? Are you my mother? Are you my mother?